Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today we have some eggs, biscuits, and gravy that my lady made. Everything homemade. Let's give them a try. I haven't had biscuits and gravy in a minute, honestly. My mouth's watering right now. Mmm. Mmm. Fire. These right here remind me of Casa de Fruta ones. Have you guys been to the Casa de Frutas and tried the breakfast biscuits and gravy there? Fire. Delicious. And to wash it out down, ice cold agua de plátano. I give this meal right here a 10 out of 10. Go ahead and give it a try.